Okay, now folks, I am heading northeast to what Hyun Sang calls Manawari. This is where I will quote Hyun Sang from his book, page 19. To the northeast of the city, that is Kote Khas of Chaturabiti, about 40 li is a stupa. This is the spot where the prince sat in the shade of a tree to watch the plowing festival. Here he engaged in profound meditation and reached the stage of absence of desire. Folks, he reached the stage of absence of desire. That is exactly what Manohari means. Manohari means the state of absence of desire. So folks, what do you call it? This is Hyun Sang. Thank you, Hyun Sang, for showing us this spot. Buddhists used to hear about this story. They never knew that the stupa existed. Well, here is the stupa. Let's see what Hyun Sang has to say.
To the northeast of the city. Now the city is Kote Khas again. The city is Kote Khas. To the northeast of Kote Khas, about 40 li is a stupa. This is the spot where the prince sat in the shade of a tree to watch the plowing festival. Here he engaged in profound meditation and reached the condition of absence of desire. Now this is the catchword, absence of desire. This is what you call it in Hindi, in rural language we will say Manohari, to lose your desire, absence of desire. Now south to the north east of the city of Kote Khas, 40 li, that is 11 kilometers. Now let's see what is 11 kilometers northeast of what you call it, Kote Khas. I have fixed my favorite faithful divider at 5 kilometers. See, here you have Kote Khas. Now let's see to the northeast of Kote Khas. This is 5 kilometers. Okay. 10 kilometers and one more kilometer, Manohari. See, let's do it again. 5 kilometers, 10 kilometers and one more kilometer is Manohari. Manohari means to lose one's worldly desires. Manohari means to lose one's worldly desires. See, Hyun Sang always gives a catchword, and in the catchword is the stupa's name. So this stupa's name is Manohari, which means to lose one's worldly desires. He was watching the plowing festivals. He saw the bullocks, working hard, and he went into a trance, and he lost all his worldly desires. That is Manohari. See how systematically now. That time he took me south to the Siddhaur area, Kanak Muni Buddhas and Krakachunda Buddhas. See, he has already showed me the palace area and the women's area where the Buddha ran away. Now he has systematically taken me up. He has taken me up to Sardhar, Harinarayan, then Maharajganj, then Machamanpur. Now
Okay, now folks, I am on top of Manohari Stupa. This is where the what do you call it, young Bodhisattva, before becoming the Buddha, this is where the Bodhisattva, before becoming a Buddha, reached the stage of absence of desire. He was watching the plowing festival, folks. He was watching the plowing festival, and he suddenly went into a trance, and he reached the state of absence of desire. That is exactly what Manohari means. Manohari means absence of desire. And his father was watching him. King Surodhana was watching him, and he marked this change in his son. Anyway, folks, this is Manohari. The place where he experienced the absence of desire. So folks, Please subscribe to my YouTube channel Buddha Exhumed, and don't forget to hit the bell icon button for new videos. You see, all these are ancient bricks, all ancient Mauryan era bricks, folks. So, folks, please subscribe to my YouTube channel Buddha Exhumed, and please hit the bell icon.